Subscribe to Jazzy's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, welcome to Jazzy's Recipes and this is Jazla Ismat. What I get into your kitchen today is Chettinad Chicken Curry. You can find the written recipe link in the description box. For the chicken chettinad, the first step is to marinate the chicken pieces. For that, mix the chicken pieces with the turmeric powder, salt and lemon juice. Once you mix well, set it aside for about 20 minutes till you get the masala ready. Now let's start making chettinad spice mix. For this, heat some sesame oil in a pan and then add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, cinnamon sticks, star anise, cardamom pods, bay leaves, garlic cloves and fry them for 30 seconds. Then add the red dry chilies, cashews and fry them all till fragrant and slightly darkened. Now transfer the roasted spices onto a plate and let it cool down to a room temperature. In the same pan, roast the grated coconut until brown in color and transfer onto a plate for cool down. Once the roasted spices and coconut have cooled down, transfer them into a grinder along with fenugreek seeds, tamarind paste and grind into a fine paste using water as needed and then keep it aside. Next, heat some sesame oil in a large pan over medium heat and then add the mustard seed. When they crackle, add the chopped onion, curry leaves and ginger garlic paste. Then saute them till the raw smell goes away. Now add the marinated chicken pieces and fry on high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Turn the heat to low and add chettinad masala paste. Add some water to grinder and give it a mix and pour over the chicken. Next, give it all a good stir so that the chicken is well coated with all the spices. Add 1 cup of water to the pan, cover it with a lid and let it cook on medium heat for around 25 minutes, giving the curry a good stir occasionally. Finally, this is done and ready. Do try this at home and do not forget to watch what next Jazzy's Recipes bring into your kitchen. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Jazzy's Recipes for recipe notification. Thank you for watching.